have a roof that needs attention? The right professional can make all the difference. But how do you find the best roofer for the job? It's simple when you know what to look for and the right questions to ask. Today's guest will discuss local roofing options and provide some great tips on finding the perfect professional that will easily tackle your project.
We are asked all the time, how does someone choose a roofing contractor? 3 important things to verify when choosing a roofing contractor would be, number 1, are they an established company that is licensed and insured? Be sure the contractor is licensed with the state and has both workers' compensation insurance and general liability insurance. If they are not insured, then the property owner is responsible if there's an incident on their property. So the property owner might even call the insurance company and verify the insurance policy and that it is in effect and will be in effect throughout the duration of the project. Also, be sure the contractor is going to obtain all the necessary municipal permits. Number 2 is a local and established business with references. Can the contractor provide references, customer references, and supplier references? A property owner will not want a lien attached to their property, so call the references to validate their legitimacy. Does the contractor have a history of quality workmanship that lasts? Their references will tell you if they do quality work. And number 3 is the warranty. The main reason for verifying the stability of the roofing contractor you choose is to know their warranty is a reliable one. Does it cover the material and the labor? Our labor warranty is 2 years. So a new roof with a 30-year shingle warranty also has a 2-year labor warranty with us at no additional cost to the property owner.
And there you have it. It's simple to stay focused with the right professional. To find out more information, contact today's guest at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.